Hello, guys.
Oh shit.
We're
It's
back
fucked
here
up.
with Doki Slit.
Doki Doki Lit Club, where you fuck your mother. There you go.
Yep. Okay.
They might be easy to write, but they're super challenging to get the meaning.
Let's just
through.
talk normal, because it's fucking weird.
Why? Because your brother's over there?
Yeah. Shut up, Diego. You're gay. Okay, continue.
He's asleep.
So I can see why it would be your kind of poem to
Explore. And explore your ass.
I'm sure I'll end up trying different things a lot. Yeah. It could take a while before I feel comfortable doing this.
Sounds like a weird beginning to sex.
That's okay. I'd love to see you try new things, like exploring my ass. That's the best way to find the kind of style that suits you.
I'm more into tying you up, leaving you in a box for a week.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone else might be a little bit biased toward their own kinds of styles.
Hi, my name's Harry Styles.
Mm-hmm.
And this is my pawn shop.
But I'll always help you find what suits you the most. I should want a suit.
Shoot up the school.
So don't force yourself to write the way everybody else. That fucking turtle one.
That's it!
Okay.
There's so many tables. Don't force yourself to write the way everyone else. It's not like you have to worry about pressing them or anything.
Yeah, who gives a shit about them?
Naruto run.
Ha. She's a special kind of dinosaur.
Anyway, do you want to read my poem now?
No.
Don't worry, I'm not very good.
You sound pretty confident. Who claims to not be very good?
Wait, what? That's your bed?
Yeah.
Didn't you used to be over there?
Yeah.
Why did you switch it?
Because I can. Okay, let's continue.
What? That's because I have to sound confident. I totally don't have AIDS.
I had to sound confident.
That doesn't mean I always feel that way, you know.
I see.
I don't, because I'm blind.
Okay.
Roses are black, violets are black. I am blind.
Okay.
I think blind people will find this offensive. I don't think blind people will find anything.
Well, let's read it then. It's horrible.
Hole in wall.
It's the great hole in the wall.
Remember that show?
Yeah.
It couldn't have been me. See? The direction, the spackle.
The spackle.
The spackle protrudes. Protrudes.
A noisy neighbor.
An angry boyfriend who beat me. I'll never know. I wasn't home. I peer inside for a clue. No, I can't see. I reel, blind, like a film left out in the sun. But it's too late. My retinas. Already
blind.
scorched of a permanent copy of the meaningless image. It's just a little hole. It wasn't too bright. It was too deep. Stretching forever into everything. A hole of infinite choices. I realize. Where's it at?
I realize now that
I wasn't looking in. I was looking out. And he, on the other side, was looking in.
Tap on the outside, remember?
Fucking bitch.
So what do you think?
I think it's horrible. It's very reformed. It is
Freeform.
Reform.
It's very reform.
Yep. If that's what you call it.
Do you see that man up there?
No.
Exactly.
Sorry, I'm not really the right person to ask for feedback.
12 out of 7.
Aw.
Yeah, that kind of style has gotten pretty popular nowadays. That is, a lot of poems have been putting emphasis on the timing between words and lines. When formed out loud, it can be really powerful.
That's what the...
What was the inspiration? Jesus Christ.
Yep, I'm horrible.
Well, I'm not sure if I know how to put it in.
Oh, I thought I said pull out.
I guess you could say I had some kind of epiphany recently. It's been influencing my poems a bit, like existentialism. If good and evil don't exist, did Hitler do anything wrong? He's doing what he thought was right at the time. So is this good?
Oh, shit. Okay.
So Sean raping 6-year-olds allowed?
Yeah.
And let's see.
An epiphany.
Tiffany.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. I'm kind of nervous to talk about deep stuff like that.
Like deep dish pizza, Little Caesars.
Deep dish pizza, like Little Caesars.
It's kind of coming strongly.
Okay.
Maybe after everyone is better friends with each other. You guys seem like fucking good.
Yeah, you guys seemed like good
I
friends.
just realized how thin her neck is.
Oh, shit. Okay, let's continue. Well, yeah, that's kind of because she's like 2D.
Anyway, here's Monica's writing tip of the day. Sometimes when you write a poem or story, your brain gets too fixated on a specific point. You try so hard to make it perfect, then you'll never make any progress. Just force yourself to get something down on paper and tidy it up later. Another way to think about it is if you keep your pen in the same spot for too long, you'll just get a big dark puddle of ink.
Man, it's not like nobody knows
So just
that.
move your hand and go with the flow. That's my advice for today. What's tomorrow's? Kill yourself. Thanks for listening. Oh shit. When's it gonna get dark?
Pew.
Pew.
Pew, pew, pew. That's what I did to the school. I glanced around the room. That was a little more stressful than I anticipated.
What the fuck is stressful to you?
Going...
Who's in that locker in the back? Why is there just a locker in the back?
As if everybody's judging me for my mediocre writing abilities.
I left my shoes upstairs.
Of course you did.
Even if they're just being nice, there's no
There's no way my poems can stand up to theirs.
Anyways, why do you want to come down here?
Because Penny's upstairs.
Is that her name?
Yeah.
Pennywise?
She literally told you.
Pennywise.
No. I just said Penny. You could call it that.
I thought that was like her nickname or something.
Oh my god, you fucking retard.
This is a lit club after all.
Mhm.
It's just a weird name.
I sigh. I guess that's what I ended up getting myself into. Okay. Across the room, Sayori and Monica are happily chatting.
Some fucking kid at lunch cut himself.
Oh, who cares?
No, like his friend like stabbed his vein and it started bleeding.
Oh.
Then he kept cutting himself with like a pencil and left marks.
So? Who let him
I
do
was
that?
like, what if your mom like sees you doing that? Like sees that and she's like, what'd you do at school? I really don't want to go to block 7, so I just cut myself.
My eyes land on Yuri and Natsuki.
Threesome.
They are gingerly exchanging sheets of paper and sharing their respective poems.
Why does she always look angry and why does she always look like she wants to die inside?
I don't know.
Why not she's smiling?
As they read in tandem, I watch each of their expressions change.
Are you a feminist?
Who cares? Natsuki eyebrow furrow in frustration.
Which one is Natsuki?
That one's fucking Natsuki. Meanwhile, Yuri smiles sadly.
Oops. What? What's with this language? What? Did you say something? Oh, it's nothing.
Natsuki dismissively returns the poem to the desk with one hand.
I guess you could say it's fancy.
Fancy.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Thanks you very much.
Yours is
cute.
cute. I'm reading this, bitch. Cute? Did you completely miss the symbolism or something? Jesus, calm down. It's clearly about the feeling of giving up. Cut yourself.
What? No.
How can that be cute? I know that. I just meant the language, I guess. I'm fucking Spanish. I was trying to say something nice.
Spanish. It's fucking.
I find the language Spanish very cute.
Wow.
Instead of saying how to directly reply to a girl, instead of saying hey, you say hello, my queen.
Hello, my queen.
Then there's also Ugandan maps instead of Google Maps where it says now you will know the way.
Oh my god. Okay, continue. Ow, my ears.
I'm trying to make it Japanese.
Wow.
Godzilla! Godzilla!
Okay, let's continue.
You mean there's no nukes being dropped on Nagasaki today?
Wow.
You had to try that hard to come up with something. Thanks, it really didn't come out nice at all. It's like Hiroshima. Oomstava. Well, I do have a couple suggestions. That's a face she makes when she's masturbating.
Wow.
Right there.
Right there. Okay, continue.
Sweet release of death. If I was looking for suggestions, I would ask someone who actually liked it. Which people did, by the way. Sayori liked it. And Kavanal did too. So based on that, I'll gladly give you some suggestions of my own. First of all, accuse me?
Accuse me?
I appreciate the offer, but I spent a long time establishing my writing style. I didn't expect it to change anytime soon, unless of course I come across something particularly inspiring, which I haven't yet.
No.
And Kavanal liked my poem too, you know. He even told me he was impressed by it. That's
Natsuki stands up.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I didn't realize you were so invested in trying to impress our new member, Yuri. That's not what Ooh. You're just...
Yuri stands up as well.
That's the face she makes when she orgasms. That's the face she makes when she kills a baby.
Kills me.
This is the face when she makes when she plans a school Haha! Nobody will stop my master plan to kill the Jews. Ugandan warlord. Do you know the way? Maybe you're just jealous that Anal Cave appreciates my advice more than he appreciated yours. Who? And how do you know he didn't appreciate my advice more? Are they just talking to me? I'm just standing there, it's like, fuck, which pussy?
No, we're just eavesdropping.
Which pussy's tighter?
Wow.
Are you that full of yourself? Yuri.exe stopped working.
No.
If I was full of myself, I would be full of ice cream. I would deliberately go out of my way to make everything I do overly cutesy. Black people are so cute.
Wow.
Bleeding, innocence bleeding to death is so cute.
Okay, continue.
Not Hiroshima is totally worth it.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh shit, autistic cocaine. Is everyone okay? Well, you know what? I wasn't the one whose boobs magically grew a size bigger as soon as Kavanal started showing up.
Wow.
No, Natsuki! Nakuzi. Did her boobs actually get bigger? I didn't know.
I don't know.
God damn it. This is so inconsistent. If I want to see bigger boobs, I want to see bigger boobs. Show us your tits! Shut the fuck up. Show us your tits. Natsuki, that's a little. This doesn't involve you! Wait, Nat and Yuri. Oh. Why is that doesn't sound like she's screaming. It sounds like she's crying in agony. I don't like fighting, guys. Let's all hug each other naked.
Suddenly, both girls run towards me as if they just noticed I was standing here. Or standing
Does this guy
there.
wear a uniform?
Yeah, I guess so. I guess we just can't see in third person.
Kavanal! She's just trying to make me look bad. That's not true. She started it. If she would get over herself and learn to appreciate that simple writing is more effective, then this would have happened in the first place. What's the point of making your poem all convoluted for no reason? That meaning should jump out of the reader, not force them to have to figure it out. Well, I'm actually. Help me explain that to her, Anal Cave. Whoopee! Freaky Fast Delivery by Jimmy Johnson. There's a reason we have so many deep dish pizza and expressive words in our language. It's the only way to convey complex feelings and meaning the most effectively. Avoiding them is not only unnecessary limiting yourself, it's also ways. Are we going to choose between the two? We agree?
Yeah.
And like if the other disagrees, she'll like hang herself?
No. No, there's like a third choice. You can say Monica or something like that, I think.
It's like, guys, let's just all get naked and hug each other. You understand that, right, Anal Cave?
No.
Well...
Which one do you want to choose, Matthew?
Read your thing.
Oh, how did I get dragged into this in the first place?
Let's pick, myself.
It's not like I know anything about writing.
I thought you said that to her so that they understand.
But whomever I agree, they'll probably think more highly of me.
Oh, well, I guess I kind of like Natsuki more, but her opinions are retarded.
Who cares? She has pink hair, so it's alright.
Guess I'll click.
Don't do Yuri. Let's do Natsuki. Yuri. You're really... Oh, I thought he was going to say no.
Well.
But Natsuki has a point.
Hello?
Hello. Oh, I think that... Oh shit. Okay, wait first. First.
We'll see you in the next episode.